Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the size of the brush in the Pigment application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and click on the home page at the bottom of the page on the left, and click on a pattern that you would like to color, and click on the color button. And here just choose the brush logo on the bottom of the page, and just choose what type of brush you would like to use. So I will use pencil, and click on the little settings button at the bottom of the page on the right. And here you can see that just take your white circle, and you can just drag it, and you will see the percentage of the brush size. So if you want to have a very large brush, then just go up to like 80%, and that click on this little green button, and your brush is ready. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.